This stock reversal for Chinese equities is creating quite a bit of optimism among money managers when it comes to further gains. It's interesting, we spoke to Jonathan Garner earlier in this hour, and he's unconvinced until there's a meaningful catalyst when it comes to the return of the Chinese consumer. So I guess there are some that believe that this could be the start of a meaningful turnaround, and others that see this as temporary.
Yeah, morning, Heidi. So overall, the sentiment in Chinese equities market has really improved over the past week. You know, when last month, if you remember, we're still talking about structured products blow up and liquidity crisis, margin calls. But just past week, when trading ended, the CSI 300 actually scored the longest winning streak since 2018 with 9 consecutive sessions. And in Hong Kong, the Hang Seng China Enterprise Index is also already up more than 10% this month. So money managers we've been speaking to, largely the sense is that they still see more tactical upside from the current levels, given earlier, the live positioning, as well as, the big thing at play here is Beijing authorities, Chinese authorities' strong resolve to put a floor in this market with almost daily measures we see coming out policy-wise to support the market, as well as Chinese national teams in buying some ETFs. But so there is a trading opportunity. A lot of traders feel, but we need more in terms of support for the real economy, as well as earning, as well as some investors say they need to see more signs of earnings estimates downgrade bottoming out for them to call this a real turnaround for the battered market that has been falling for the past 3 years. So at the moment, it's more looking like a window for tactical trading.
What are the next catalysts that they're watching for when it comes to this market?
Yeah, so there are several things they're watching. One is earnings. For this week, for example, we're seeing Chinese EV automaker Li Auto reporting aftermarket today, and also with some internet giants like Baidu and NetEase. Investors will use their earnings results as well as their guidance to assess how the broader sector is looking like. And we also have manufacturing factory activity data coming out on Friday. I think that will give a sense for how on the manufacturing side as well as service side Chinese economies are looking. And more importantly, in the coming week, we have the National People's Congress coming up, which that is a key venue for policy signals. And I think the key thing investors are watching, one is economic growth target for this year, what kind of budget China will set up, as well as if we'll see more support for the property sector, which is a key of everything investors are watching now.